All right. Well, I would agree that that was very less of a breather, but I'm sure worth it as we are welcoming you back on the screens because we're going to be talking about Reddington's smart framework and solutions for IBM Cloud. Well, allow me to warmly welcome Natarajan Veeraraghavan, the Principal Solutions Architect, who's running straight from Reddington, India. Warm welcome and over to you.
Hi, we welcome you all on behalf of Reddington to this event. We are a $7 billion organization headquartered in Chennai, India, with global operations in Middle East, Sri Lanka, Turkey, and South Africa. We are a leading cloud solution provider in India, and our relationship with IBM Cloud has been core to our overall cloud strategy. We have helped several large enterprises move the workloads onto the IBM Cloud with our robust smart framework. These are well-defined set of processes and tools that we adhere to so as to make the transition efficient and seamless. Our expertise ranges from data center migration, hybrid cloud deployment, to new age technologies, adoption on cloud like big data, DevOps, etc. Our three areas of focus has been VMware, SAP, and bare metal solutions. Considering the USP IBM Cloud provides vis-a-vis other cloud providers, we have been able to do large customer migration in these areas. Our robust smart framework follows a series of processes. Our smart framework starts with an assessment, which is basically a discovery workshop to do a fitment analysis and also do a right strategy of migrating the assets to the cloud. We also do a planning as part of the overall strategy. Then come the actual deployment or migration of the assets to the IBM cloud. Post migration, we do have our 24/7 managed services support operating out of our headquarters in Chennai, where we do proactive and reactive monitoring and also management of the cloud environment. As part of managed services, we also do an optimization of all the resources as well as cost optimization and to see that the security of the environment is in line with the overall enterprise requirements. We ensure that the overall hygiene of the cloud environment is managed through our managed services team. Whether you are looking to do a hardware refresh, get maximum of your VMware environment, move your homegrown applications or critical applications like SAP, our framework provides an end-to-end customer lifecycle management for smooth transitioning to the IBM cloud. Our VMware solution of IBM has helped our customers who are either looking at hybrid solution or a data center consolidation or even for a DR solution or to meet customer security and compliance requirement. We have been able to position our solutions through these frameworks. With IBM VMware solution providing both bring your own license and license including options, it has helped customers to use their existing VMware license of vCenter, vSphere onto the IBM platform. We have observed an overall reduction in our customers' time to market while launching new products from weeks to days. With IBM's bare metal services, it becomes easy for customers to create their own VMware environment and leverage the existing tools to manage the cloud deployment. We also see customers are ready to move their SAP workloads on cloud with IBM's powerful power-based systems. There has been an overall improvement on ROI and reduced downtime to almost one third of the current on-premise systems. We have also enabled customers to host their HANA-based solutions of SAP on certified IBM bare metal servers in record time. We have been able to do this deployment within 5 months. We have ensured that we follow a process where we move the dev and test environment onto the IBM cloud first to ensure that customers are able to see the advantage of moving those dev and test environments on the cloud. And then we move this critical production environment. And this we have been able to achieve in record time. IBM bare metal solution is another key area where we have worked with VMware, which has helped them to not only cater to the deployments which requires high performance, high availability scale based on demands for real-time analytics, but also use DevOps or media streaming services on these GPU-based processes. Lastly, we have also seen IBM has launched IBM Cloud Paks, which are lightweight, enterprise-grade modular cloud solutions integrating a container platform, containerizing the IBM middleware and open source software. These software services for development management are running on OpenShift. post IBM taking over Red Hat, it has become easy for customers to quickly use these ready-made containerized solutions to fast-track the deployment onto the cloud platform. With IBM's vast portfolio of services covering on new age technologies like big data, IoT, Kubernetes clusters, app modernizations, analytics, IoT and machine learning kind of to name a few, Redington has been able to leverage this partnership for customers across diverse verticals. With IBM being our core partner for cloud, we have been able to also work on some niche areas of IBM's Watson and also on some of these data center migrations, which are very core for customers who have already used IBM on premises. So customers who are already using these hardwares of IBM and all, it becomes seamless for them to adopt cloud as IBM for IBM and then use this hybrid model of using the existing on-premise infrastructure and extending those critical or non-critical workloads which they want to extend onto the IBM platform very seamless and efficient. With IBM Cloud, we have been able to do a lot of modernization that helps these customers to adapt to the new age requirements that come as per the business needs. Do reach out to us, and Redington will be glad to be part of your IBM Cloud journey. Thank you and have a nice event.
Natarajan, thank you very much for all those insights, perspectives, and takeaways that came through your session. I'm sure very helpful for our delegates. And with that, at Dell Technologies presents the Economic Times Cloud Innovation Summit, co-powered by Amazon Internet Services Private Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to participate in a poll. So I will leave you all with that, just to buy some time to rope in our very enthusiastic speaker for the next session. This is a special address, and special why? Because it's going to be touching on a very important industry when we talk about the healthcare, ladies and gentlemen, and how really it can be equipped stronger with digitization and the AI. So stay tuned for the special address. Participate in the poll. We'll be right back.